there's just 2. But the vast majority, 99 times out of 100 people will be doing the level 7 directly. What does the course look like? Professional learning communities, credits can be applied towards a full MA, so the 60 credits can be applied. And then webinars and tutorials tailored to your needs. So you don't necessarily have to be online at the right times, at the right time zones. Everything's recorded. You can replay, or you can watch live. It's entirely up to you. And then all of the forums are all open at certain times. But what I would say is, if you are struggling, you are finding it quite difficult, take time, set a time where you want to meet with your pathway tutor or your tutor in the university, and set aside maybe 10 or 15 minutes where you can actually sit down and speak with them about whatever problems you're having.